Guidelines for replacing SH-G6804 wire rope. Use a tool to unscrew the screws that secure the rear and right bumpers and remove them. Use a hex wrench to loosen the screw cap and remove the rubber plug and screw cap. Thread the steel wire rope through the pulley to reach the connecting rotating frame. Use tools to remove the steel wire rope fixed on the main frame and take it away. When assembling a new wire rope, first fix one end of the wire rope to the main frame. The other end of the wire rope passes through the pulley to reach the counterweight head. Insert the screw cap and rubber plug and clip them into the groove of the screw. Use a hex wrench to tighten the screw cap and screw. After checking and adjusting the tightness of the steel wire rope, install the right and rear baffles.